Art and science and where they merge. It starts out, I think, where you want to make something. You want to be creative. You want to build a bridge or a building like an architect would, and you're making something pretty. You're designing something that's nice looking, and then you have to kind of make it work. Art is the thing that makes it colorful and makes it cool looking. Now once you draw this thing, you have to make it. Making it is not as easy as sketching it out. A lot of things are taken for granted in the manufacturing process, and in the equipment and the tools and the people, the welders, the sheet metal workers, the glazers, the plumbers, the electricians. Each one has their own way of doing something, and it has to kind of flow and has to kind of not electrocute you. These things are not easy. Where art and science meet, the state-of-the-art technologies and the equipment and the tools that are used in modern manufacturing still use and rely on old techniques and cutting tools that may have been designed 100 or so years ago or 200 years ago, or applied in the most precise machine tools that are able to create themselves. All come from the ideas and the inventions of humanity. But it's only been in the last 100 years or so that we've seen them come to this point of precision and capability and flexibility. The flexibility of CNC equipment and machine tools today allow you to be able to manufacture virtually anything, and then continue to repeat the same accuracy. Product of landing on the moon, a product of our military and our government, and the great people that drive us to be inventive and then apply these technologies to better ourselves as opposed to destroying ourselves.
What is going on with these freaking pieces?
Modernism, contemporary, the time we live in, whether it's the way we work, how we get to work, fly around, skateboard, rollerblade, whatever it is that we do. It's the time that is the now. And whether I preach it or practice it, I need to practice it more than I preach it. We work with the most advanced machine tools and technologies. We could use this methodology or the thinking of it, and advance our sciences and the application of them to make better products, make them here, make them locally, so the cost in the short term and the long term would make the most sense to get people to be working closer to where they live, being able to get to the job site by walking or taking a train of some sort. We have to increase and advance ourselves in all these things. This is what got us in the hole. This is what will get us out of the hole. And the inventiveness and the ingenuity of Americans, I stand behind. Born here, it makes a lot of sense to me. Be nice to just walk across the street and work. I used to do that, but we have to move forward and not backwards. And this is where the jobs come, and this is where everything else becomes a little bit more efficient. The housing, the electricity problems. We're running too many things on low voltage. It makes no sense. We run stuff in the shops at about 200 or 400 volts, and the higher the voltage, the cheaper it is. So we have to change a lot of things and remove the old, rusty people that really don't want to do anything, and replace them with people that are eager beavers and are good to go. And we could fix things. We could all have jobs. We could fix this. No one else can. Things that come from the factories that we take for granted. This is what built this country. This is what this country's about, and this is where we lack, and we may come back because of it.